This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by syncing through iCloud because it's the simplest continuous method. On your iPhone, turn iCloud Photos on, then make sure your Mac uses the same Apple ID and has Photos enabled in iCloud settings. Once done, your recent images will begin uploading from the device with Wi-Fi and power. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage. If not, upgrade or offload large video files. This step initiates automatic syncing, so you don't have to transfer manually later. Now monitor the upload and manage storage so sync stays reliable. Open Photos on both devices to watch progress and look for spinning cloud or status text. Use Optimize iPhone storage if your phone is low on space. That keeps full-res originals in iCloud while smaller versions stay on device. On the Mac, decide between download originals or optimize Mac storage depending on disk space. These choices affect where your master files live and why some images may not appear. Finish by confirming all photos are where you expect and use alternatives if needed. If you prefer one-time transfers, use AirDrop for quick wireless copies or connect via USB and import in Photos. If syncing stalls, sign out and back into Apple ID, toggle iCloud Photos, and restart both devices. That often resolves indexing problems. Also check iCloud.com to verify uploads, ensure both devices are on Wi-Fi, and install pending OS updates. These actions fix most remaining issues and complete the sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.